Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open or view PDF files in Google Chrome without downloading. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when we bring up our PDF file and try to open it in our Google Chrome, it is being downloaded instead of being opened. So let's check. So in my case, it is being downloaded here as you can see instead of being opened. Now in order to open or view our PDF files without downloading, we'll be performing a very basic step. And by that, you need to bring up your Google Chrome again. So at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match should appear, which is a Chrome. Click on Open to continue. And here you would be able to bring up your Google Chrome window. So we need to navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and look for settings, which has this gear icon. So click on it once again and wait until you are being redirected to the Chrome settings. Now, once you are here at the Chrome settings, you need to proceed at the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Look for privacy and security, which has the shield icon. Click on it, and the moment you've opened the privacy and security tab, please proceed with the option called site settings. So tap on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for an option called additional settings and click on this down arrow to see additional settings. Scroll down once again and here you need to look for PDF documents. So once you have find the PDF documents, click this forward arrow and here you would be able to see PDF documents and set the default behavior into open PDFs in Chrome. Now, the reason why we faced such error is that we have set the default behavior in download PDF. That's why whenever we opened or bring up a PDF here in our Google Chrome, it's not opening. Instead, it's being downloaded. Okay, so click on this to turn it on, and in this way, we have just successfully set the default behavior of our Chrome and opening PDFs in Chrome. So let's close to check. Okay, so let's bring up our PDF again, double tap to once again, and check if it's now opening or being viewed this time and not being downloaded. Okay, so as you can see, this being opened this time on. So meaning that we have just fixed the problem. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.